Walmart's always been thought to offer the absolute lowest prices out of all the superstores. In this video, we'll dive into why Target prices can actually be lower than Walmart a lot of the time, and how you can take advantage of Target deals that beat Walmart's prices. If you're new here, welcome to While Literate, I'm Ashley. On this channel, we talk about all things budgeting, saving up, and saving money. If you like this kind of content and want to see more, don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor or accountant, and this video is for general educational purposes only. No official financial advice is being given. Feel free to pause the video to read the disclaimer or find the full disclaimer in the video description below. Let's first briefly go over how Target's prices can actually beat Walmart's a lot of the time, and then go through the step-by-step process of how to take advantage of Target deals that often make their prices lower than Walmart, with a real example of a Target deal you can do right now. Be sure to watch to the end of this video, as we'll also go over additional ways to save even more money at Target on top of these deals. Generally speaking, it's true that Walmart will have prices similar to or lower than Target, though it depends on the item. But Target has a secret weapon, Target Circle, which is their free rewards program that helps you earn 1% back on purchases at Target, both online and in-store. In addition, there are also tons of Target Circle deals, like Spend X, Get X off. Taking advantage of these deals can actually lower the overall price you pay for certain items. These deals can be structured a few different ways, and they usually apply to either a specific brand, like Tide or Bounty, a specific type of item, such as jeans or cutlery, or an overall spend category defined by Target, such as home care or personal care. We'll see some deals structured as percentage discounts off certain products regardless of the amount of money you spend. For example, 20% off jeans. Some deals offer a certain amount of money off your order if you buy a certain dollar amount of those products. For example, $5 off a $25 purchase of home care items, while other deals may offer a Target gift card of a certain dollar amount for future use, usually $5 to $15, if you buy a certain dollar amount of those products. For example, getting a $5 gift card for a $25 purchase in the beauty and personal care category. Generally, I recommend focusing on the last two types of deals, where you can get a set discount or get those free gift cards. Now let's go over the general steps to take advantage of these Target Circle deals, with a real example of a deal you can do right now. Bear in mind, the same types of deals come up very often, so even if this particular deal is expired as you're watching this video, you can learn the process and then do the same deal once it's available again. Step 1. Have a running list of items you often need to buy. Ideally things that don't expire, or at least don't expire within 6 months, like many household items and hygiene products. It's always good to highlight a few items you'll be needing within the coming weeks or months. And with items that don't expire, you can just stock up on them for future use. For Target deals like this, I often focus on items like laundry detergent, paper towels, and soap. Step 2. Check the Target app to see what deals they're currently running and activate any deals you may want to do. If you haven't already, you'll need to first enroll in the free Target Circle Rewards program. Then go to your account via the Target app or their website and select the Target deals you want to activate. For example, as of today, they're giving a free $5 gift card if you spend $25 on select beauty and personal care purchases. This particular deal comes up often, so even if you're watching this video in the future, it may be available again. Step 3. Find items that qualify for the deals you activated that you want to stock up on, and add them to your cart. You can just reference your running list to find a few items you'll need eventually, and then click on the deal you want in order to see the products that qualify for the deal, which are listed below it. There are even filters you can use to easily find the types of items you want to purchase that are eligible for the deal. Here's a simple deal you can do for a free $5 gift card if you spend $25 on select beauty and personal care purchases. For this, you can pick up soft soap hand soap refill bottles, or their generic Up and Up brand, which in my opinion is still really similar but much cheaper. Add enough of them to your cart to hit the $25 threshold for the Target Circle deal to earn your free $5 gift card. Soft soap, milk, and honey 50-ounce refills are $6.29 each, and the generic Up and Up version of that refill is $4.39. One thing to note is that Target's only allowing you to buy 4 of the Up and Up refills online, so you'll either need to get 4 of those plus 2 soft soap refills to get to that $25 threshold, which is around $30 before tax. Or you can just get 3 Up and Up refills and 2 soft soap refills for just over $25, which will still trigger the gift card. Step 4. Clip any additional digital coupons that appear below the product. Sometimes there will be extra coupons that you can clip, in addition to your Target Circle deal. At the moment, there isn't one for these particular items, but there could be some digital coupons for different items that qualify for the deal, if you don't want to get hand soap. So if you see any listed, make sure you activate them. Step 5. Check the final price in your cart after all the discounts are applied, and quickly check the price for the same or similar items on the Walmart app to make sure you're actually saving money after everything's considered. Before checking out on the Target app or website, make sure the products you've selected haven't been marked up too much compared to Walmart, which can happen sometimes. For this example, Walmart offers the same soft soap hand soap refills for $5.97 each, while Walmart's generic brand, Equate, has the 50-ounce milk and honey hand soap refills priced at $4.97. So Target's actually cheaper than Walmart for the generic brand, and the soft soap brand is a bit cheaper at Walmart, but with the deal, it'd still technically be cheaper at Target as well. Let's do some quick math for this particular deal. For Target, 3 generic refills at $4.39 each, plus 2 soft soap refills at $6.29 each, comes to $25.75 before tax. Plus we're getting the $5 gift card, so we can think of the net price as $20.75. For Walmart, 3 generic refills at $4.97 each, plus 2 soft soap refills at $5.97 each, equals $26.13 before tax, which is more expensive than Target, plus there's no gift card. Now let's look at a few small variations. If we just bought the cheapest generic brand between the two stores, which would be the one at Target, and didn't do the Target Circle deal at all, we'd pay $4.39 a piece for each refill. So 5 refills would be $21.95 before tax, which is still more than our net price with the deal. Plus 2 of the refills from the deal have a brand name. If we just did the soft soap brand for the deal instead, and picked 4 of those refills, we'd pay $25.16 before tax at Target. Plus we get that $5 gift card, with the net being $20.16, and we pay $23.88 at Walmart. If you don't want to buy the soft soap brand and just want the generic one, you can sub in another item, like the Dove Bar Soap 12-pack, which is $16.19 at Target, and the same one is $14.97 at Walmart. That plus the 3 generic hand soap refills means you'd pay $29.36 before tax at Target. Plus you'd get a $5 gift card, so it'd be a net price of $24.36, or we'd pay $29.88 before tax at Walmart. Keep in mind that the savings can be even bigger than the examples we've gone over, depending on the products you select. Step 6. Check out on the Target app using a free option like online pickup or drive up at your local Target. This way you don't have to worry about hitting a certain threshold to get free shipping, and with drive up you don't even need to leave your car to get your items, which is super convenient. After doing a few deals, you'll have a better idea of what types of items you often need that are better suited for these Target deals. Again, one of my personal go-tos is hand soap. As you can see, even if there is a markup, it usually isn't too bad, and it's often cheaper than at Walmart with the deal. Finally, let's go over a few additional ways that you can get an even better deal at Target in conjunction with these Target Circle deals. Number 1. You can also use cashback sites and apps like Rakuten to earn extra cashback. Plus, you can get reimbursed for a Target purchase if you sign up with them. Basically, you'll need to shop at the store in question through the Rakuten portal to get any cashback and any sign-up deals. At the moment, you can earn an extra 1% back at Target when shopping there through the Rakuten app. Plus, if you use my referral link in the description of this video to sign up, you can earn $30 back on a purchase of $30. So you can basically get $30 worth of items at Target for free after getting the rebate. I use this app myself, and it's a really great way to get extra savings on any online purchases you make at any popular stores. If you decide to use my link to sign up and make your purchase, I'll get a $30 credit to my account. So if you do use my link, thank you so much for your support. Number 2. If you get a Target Red Card credit card, debit card, or reloadable card, you can use it as your payment method at checkout to get a 5% discount on your purchases at Target both online and in-store. Plus at the moment, they have a spend $40, get $40 deal going on right now for those cards. I'll link to our most recent video on the best credit cards for Superstores, which goes over the 3 different Target Red Card options as well as some other great picks for both Target and Walmart. So you can check it out after this video if you want to learn more. Number 3. Another important thing to keep in mind is that you can also price match at Target, which can be especially helpful during the holidays, with many stores giving deep discounts. Target will match the price if you buy a qualifying item at Target and then find the same exact item for a lower price at Target.com, certain online competitors, or in either Target's or a competitor's local print ad. And the price match can be requested at the time of the purchase or within 14 days after purchase. One of the most convenient ways can be to contact their guest services department after the purchase is made. They do have certain restrictions within their price match policy, so it's good to check that out beforehand. They also do provide a list of competitors they'll match their price to for eligible items, which does include Walmart.com. Price matching will of course take a little work, but if you're buying an expensive item at Target, you may want to consider it. Let me know in the comments, what are your favorite items to buy at Target? If you enjoyed this video, you may be interested in this next video that goes over the best credit cards to use at superstores like Target and Walmart to earn high cashback. There are quite a few options in the video that can earn you great cashback or discounts at these stores, So if you want to learn more about these cards, you can check that video out next. If this video was helpful to you, it would be a huge help if you could click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. It really helps us get our videos out to more people to help them save money, and it's totally free. If you want to be notified when we release new videos, make sure you also click the notification bell as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.